Welcome to Perfect Level, the secret creek that I can't really name. It's deep in November. It's a cool morning, but the sun is coming out. Heavy fog. It's me and Jor-dan looking for them big smallmouth. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The Whopper Plopper 75 on. I'm gonna guess the water temperature is 50 degrees. It's probably colder than that though, really. It's probably like mid 40s. It's a giant. Man, I think he had me wrapped around a tree or something. It was unbelievable how that fish was this fighting. Very smallie. I think I was lifting up a whole tree. Something green here, some type of vegetation growing. I don't know what's up with that. I mean, it's late November now, and for the most part, all the leaves are gone. You can see the trees are all bare. All the leaves are gone kind of in this area. I mean, there are definitely more leaves back in Bowling Green than there are here, but we have this strange green vegetation growing. That doesn't seem right. Something's not right there. It's probably from the farms nearby, and they spray nitrogen and other chemicals on the grass, and it washes in the creek, and then, you know, you have weeds growing like crazy or something. I don't know. Something's not right there. There's too much green vegetation right here. It's very abnormal. I mean, even like right now, it's probably 55 degrees out right now. Huh. Green vegetation I was talking about. Is this what they call rabbit's foot? Maybe not. I think that's rabbit's foot right there. It's kind of sad that I can't identify more of this stuff. Are you hooked up? Oh man. It's a big one. In the most random spot. By far the biggest of the day.
Oh my God, dude.
That's a big one. That's good. Good fish. About a 16. He's got blue on his face and everything. It's still a juvenile fish because it has red eyes in the blue. So that fish has got a lot of growing. Look how girthy.
That's a nice one.
Big girl. Big girl.
I did not expect that bite.
You want to measure it up?
She's a football.
I'm gonna get a quick.
Big one. Big fat one.
That's a fun little spot there. Careful. Careful now. If the water was really high, that would get you for sure. Not a giant, but they're getting bigger. Getting bigger. Sheesh. There's a child play toy. hit my camera. All right. Hey, fresh battery. I'm throwing the black and blue bandito and the chartreuse spinnerbait, and fishing is kind of slow. We're catching a few here and there, but just saw a deer. I don't know if I got that on video or not, but he was a small guy. He was like a spike, maybe a 4-pointer, but kind of looked like a spike. He wasn't scared of us. He's probably used to the smell of man by this point. I mean, deer season's full on, bow season and all that stuff. It's cooking. I guess most people have already killed deer though, if you're hunting. What's the limit on deer? How many can you kill?
I don't know.
2, maybe? I think it's 2. I know for a while they had talked about having an open season, but I don't think that ever went through or anything. That one's got horns. Yeah, I couldn't tell. It looked like a 6. I didn't get a good hook set. That was deer watching. Well, haven't caught one in a while. It's been a little bit. Nice fish though. Thank you for biting, sir. Frozen guy. 2 bald eagles. 3 bald eagles. You see it in the tree? There's 3 bald eagles. That's crazy, bro. Are these all bald eagles? Dude, they're everywhere. Look at all of them. There's like 5 or 6. See them in the trees? Whoa, what is going on? I don't think that's normal. Like, they're territorial. Mm-hmm. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think one of the first times I was ever on the Elkhorn, we saw them fighting like that, like they were flipping upside down and stuff. Surely, I don't think the rest of those are bald eagles. Those, you see those dark colored birds? There was 3 bald eagles, but those other ones might be some other kind of bird. They're big, whatever they are. They're sizable.
Yeah, I totally missed that whole section.
Well, I mean, I guess if a eagle has baby eagles and they kind of get bigger, they probably stick around for a while. So maybe that's...
Very well could be it.
Maybe those are all babies. See, look at that. That's a bald eagle, dude. Yeah, I think that's what that is. I think those are all the youngins. Uh-huh. Dang. Maybe that's why we ain't catching no fish.
4, 5. That might be 5.
Man, one of those birds will eat a fish a day. And in this clear water, they can see them. Man, that is crazy, bro. They might have a hunting season on them coming up or something. Like, there's too many of them. Those things be eating little dogs and, you know what I mean, little chihuahuas. Kind of, there's like 2 bald eagles on the lower limb, and then right above them are 2 darker birds, and then there's 2 more darker birds, and we think those are the babies, but we've already seen 3 bald eagles all together, and I've never experienced anything quite like this. So many together in one place. I mean, especially here. And like, we think that those are probably the offspring, but we've never seen so many condensed like this. It's strange. Oh, you see the dead one? There's a dead one hanging in the tree. You see it to the left? Its wings are sprawled out.
I think it's alive.
Oh, I thought it was like maybe dead.
Yeah, vultures do that.
Oh, okay. I mean, the one on the bottom in the center is definitely a bald eagle. I can see the white feathers. Well, if you catch a fish, hold it up in the air and see if it'll come down and grab it. Have you seen those videos where they do that?
Dude, I think they may be juvenile.
Juvenile bald eagles? Yeah, they didn't look like vultures to me.
Out of the 6 of them, only one of them had a white head and tail.
That was moving a little bit faster than I thought. Oh, did you get it? Nice. Big old root ball. Uh-oh, the sun came out and you are racking up on the... He's racking up. I'm gonna have to switch my baits. Is it a big one? Oh, it's a good one. It's funny, that happened twice in a row. It's gotta be the shiny blade. That eagle above Jordan. Stuff over here. Like, it's a good sized fish too. It's a really big one. No. He didn't have his camera on. Well, that's my first spotted bass today. Everything I've caught was a smallmouth, except for this little guy. Uh-oh, little fella. Easy, easy, easy. Mr. Spothead. All right. There's a spider on my camera. Today was pretty slow. I caught a few. Jordan caught some fish. I think he definitely caught the biggest of the day, 17 and a half. He was probably close to 3 pounds. For the last little bit, we've been just cooking now. We were trying to get done for the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and hopefully I'll be able to catch some fish soon and put out some good content. That's what I'm talking about. Sheesh. Hello, sir. Hope you have a good day. I hope you survive. I love your face. I love your face. Wow. Was that deer amazing or what? That was crazy. I wonder if he was injured, but I don't think so. I think he was just having a nice little day there in the sun. Jumped up and came at me. I don't know what I would have done. He probably would have just gored me to death. And I didn't really have time to count, but it looked like about a 12 pointer, maybe non-typical 12. It was a good sized deer. I really wonder if it was injured. I don't think it was. I think it was just hanging out right there, laying low. We came through so quick that, you know, didn't really register as a threat. We've actually seen several deer today.